Here's my strawberries, ready to make my Father's Day smoothie. The ingredients are banana, blackberries, raspberries, strawberries and milk. You're going to need half a cup of these ingredients and a whole cup of strawberries. Let's make our smoothie. Here I've got my blender and I'm going to put my ingredients in one by one. Banana, milk, blackberries, raspberries, strawberries. Let's blend this up. Caution when putting the lid on, as it is sharp. Make sure you get a grown-up helper to help you with this. Now let's blend up the smoothie. You won't be able to hear me over this noise. So what I'm going to do is shake it up first, then add a little bit more liquid in, as it isn't blending as I would like. Just add a little dash of milk and then we'll blend it up again. So I would like a smoothie bowl consistency. What is the sound you would like to hear? Hi, you're going to need a grown-up helper to help you untwist this, as it is very stiff. And I have made a smoothie bowl consistency, or it could be a sorbet. So I'm going to spoon it in to my bowl. As it melts, it will be more liquidy and more smoothie-like. Let's see what toppings I'm going to put on my smoothie bowl. Some of the toppings I'm going to put on is desiccated coconut, some more raspberries, chopped up banana, some sunflower seeds, chia seeds soaked in water. That makes this lovely consistency. Might look like tadpoles, but they're really good. Here's my smoothie bowl, or you could call it a sorbet bowl, whatever you like. This is ready for my father. Let him enjoy this. I've got some blueberries. Ooh, I've got an idea of what I'm going to make for my next video. You have a think too.